Choosing the right commercial roofing for your Surrey or Vancouver property often feels complicated once you weigh durability, maintenance, and budget. As building owners, the decisions you make now have lasting effects on safety and operational costs. Let's cut through the confusion. A common myth is that all materials perform similarly. In reality, commercial roofs require specialized engineering for our BC climate. We categorize roofs into 3 types: flat, low slope, and sloped, each requiring different drainage and material strategies. Major materials include single-ply membranes like TPO and PVC, modified bitumen, and long-lasting metal roofing panels. Single-ply membranes are flexible and quick to install, though they can be prone to punctures if not managed carefully. Metal roofs offer superior durability and a lifespan of up to 60 years, making them a premium long-term investment. Green roofs are gaining popularity in Vancouver for their natural insulation and excellent stormwater management benefits. In British Columbia, adhering to provincial building codes and fire safety standards is non-negotiable for project success. Proper insulation and material choice directly impact your energy efficiency, lowering long-term heating and cooling expenses. While membrane systems are budget-friendly up front, metal roofing often provides better value over several decades. Our local climate demands materials that can withstand heavy rainfall and constant temperature fluctuations year-round. Key takeaways: always engage experts for professional consultation and prioritize material performance over the lowest bid. At Paragon Roofing BC, we address these specific challenges with tailored solutions for your unique building requirements. Ready to safeguard your property? Contact Paragon Roofing BC today for a free roof inspection and personalized consultation. Visit us at paragonroofingbc.ca to learn more. Paragon Roofing BC, built for durability.